Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex, and today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on the 26th of June 2025, t 17 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds, 0.000000. This paper, published just 2 days ago, introduces a fascinating model that can predict what a person would see, based on their detailed, whole-body movements. The paper is titled, Whole Body Conditioned Egocentric Video Prediction, and it's a really interesting step towards creating embodied agents that can simulate and plan like humans do. The model, called PEVA, uses structured 3D pose trajectories to generate visually realistic first-person video, learning the complex link between physical action and visual perception. Alright, so let's look at what this actually looks like in practice. This first figure really showcases the model's capabilities. We see three main examples here. First, what the authors call atomic actions. These show the model generating short video clips from specific, simple movements, like turning your head or opening a cabinet. Then, counterfactuals explore what-if scenarios, predicting different visual outcomes from the same starting point based on different actions. And finally, we see its ability to generate a long video, showing it can create extended, coherent first-person sequences. It's a powerful demonstration. So moving from what the model does to how it actually works, this next figure breaks down the PEVA architecture. On the left, we see it learns by looking at random frames from a video, not necessarily in sequence. This random time skips approach helps it understand both short and long-term action consequences. In the middle, the core of the model is an autoregressive diffusion transformer, which basically means it predicts the next frame based on previous ones, by learning to turn noise into a clear image. And finally, the action conditioning shows how the body pose data is injected to guide the video generation. Alright, so moving to the results. This table gives us the hard numbers. It compares PEVA against two other models on a single-step prediction task, which is basically trying to generate what the next 2 seconds of video will look like. It uses a few key metrics, and for all of them, a lower score is better. For example, LPIPS, or Learned Perceptual Image Patch Similarity, measures how similar images look to a person. And as you can see, PEVA outperforms the others across the board on every metric, including DreamSim and FID, showing its predictions are more realistic. Building on those impressive scores, this next figure shows how PEVA can go beyond simple prediction and actually be used for planning. We see the model generating several possible futures, or counterfactuals, based on different sequences of actions. For example, starting from the same point, it simulates walking to a sink, walking outside, or walking to the refrigerator. Each of these simulated paths is then scored against a goal image using that Learned Perceptual Image Patch Similarity metric. The path leading to the fridge gets the best score, showing the model can effectively choose the correct plan. So to wrap things up, this research really represents a significant step in linking our physical, whole-body movements to what we see. By using structured 3D pose data, PEVA generates impressively realistic video, outperforming other models on metrics like Learned Perceptual Image Patch Similarity and FID. FID, or Frechet Inception Distance, is another key metric that measures the quality of generated images. This ability to simulate the visual results of actions is a crucial foundation for embodied agents that can plan effectively. That's all for today's AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.